Maldives.
Alright, Christine, you much ready to go?
Yes, pretty much ready to go. Let's do this.
Okay, so as usual, we're running late to our flight. Final call to Malé. We better go. Are you ready?
So excited. We made it!
Here in Malé, at the airport in the Maldives, ready to start our adventure. Where is it?
45. So we just got off the plane and there's stands for all the hotels, but it's kind of confusing and there's people everywhere with signs.
Just simply raise.
Welcome to the hotel, the motel, the Holiday Inn Kandooma. Woo woo, in the Maldives. We are pretty stoked to be here. Twerk it, twerk. We are very excited to be here this week. We are here at IHG and the Holiday Inn Resort Kandooma in the Maldives. We are going to go on a dolphin cruise. We're going to snorkel with turtles. We're going to go help regrow some coral reef.
We're going to be swimming, we're going to be laying on the beach, we're going to be drinking happy hour cocktails.
We're going to be flying the drone and getting amazing shots. We're going to be taking lots.
Massage.
We're going to take lots of photos. We're going to show you the whole place. We're going to show you everything to do with the Holiday Inn Kandooma. We're going to show you everything. We can't wait for you to join our adventure. And if you're enjoying it, make sure you subscribe to our channel or hit like, share the video, show us some love.
Show us some love.
Show us some love. Okay, anyway guys, enjoy the rest of the week and our videos, and we will catch up with you in the rest of this video because you're going to keep watching it, aren't you?
We'll still be here.
Aren't you?
We're trapped in your computer. Let us out. We are about to do the sunset cruise here at the Holiday Inn Kandooma. It sounds like it's going to be a nice, peaceful evening, maybe some cocktails watching the sunset, but actually we're going to be going on this boat right behind me, and they'll put nets on either side, and we lay on the net and hold on for dear life while they pull us through the water at high speeds, or something like that. Hopefully we don't fall off into the water. Oh my god.
Next up on our adventures at the Holiday Inn Kandooma is some snorkeling with wild sea turtles. And turtles, they get us, they're our jam. What we love about this tour is that you don't interact with the turtles, you don't disrupt their environment, no touching, no feeding, just observing these amazing animals. So we can't wait to go snorkel with some sea turtles. Yeah, wow. Alright, come on Gumby. See ya. It's dolphin time! That's it. We are going on the Dolphin Cruise now. We're going to jump on the speedboat, zip across the waters and try and find some dolphins in their natural habitat, of course. No feeding, no touching, no interacting. So we're pretty excited.
Yeah, there's no guarantee that we'll actually see some, so we've got our fingers crossed. We really want to see some wild dolphins. It would be rad.
Okay, let's get on this speedboat. Wom, wom, wom. Christine's actually, before we go, it's going to do... Go again. You look like you're having a seizure. They look kind of weird that they're just like hanging out there.
Oh, they're like little baby ones.
Put on a show.
Yeah. Oh,